boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Alec Benjamin is back here. Love the ones who leave. All right, so this is only a 3-chord song, and the cape on third. So yeah, great song, very easy to handle. So let's dive into this one. Starting with the chords, we have A minor, E minor, and F. So starting with A minor, that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord, E minor. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And we have this F bar chord. We play the bar on the first fret over all strings, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. So we have the chord progression that goes A minor, E minor, F, and E minor. And it goes like that through the entire song. We're gonna learn the strumming pattern now. So if you grab the first chord, that is A minor, and it goes down, clap, down, clap, down. So like this. So down, clap, down, and a short pause, then down, clap, down. So down, clap, down, clap, down. And then you start immediately on the next round of this strumming here. So it goes pretty fast from the end till the start again. So it goes down. So it's almost 2 doubles fast there on the down. So. Like that. So you're gonna play A minor, E minor, F, and E minor, like I said, and you're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord. It goes like this. Yeah. So there you have it, guys. Alec Benjamin's Love the Ones Who Leave. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. I do my best to get some great songs out there and teach you to play music on guitar. So yeah, that's my mission. Hope you enjoyed it. Next time, play a tune.